to my YouTube channel. My name is Walter Bridgewater. Today I will be showing you guys my whole apartment and room tour. If you guys remember last year, I was in a dorm. I had communal bathrooms, but now I have upgraded to an apartment. Life is feeling luxury right now. Today I have my friend recording me and helping me with this video.
Hey guys!
If you want to see more entertainment and college content, make sure you subscribe down below. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of what our living situation is outside of my dorm room. So like the living room space and also the kitchen space. This is our front door, and when you come into the front door, we have our kitchen right to our left. I think it's a pretty good sized kitchen. It has everything that we need, and we also bought a couple of things so that we can use different things in the kitchen. This is our fridge. It's a work in progress. We're still trying to figure out our refrigerator situation, but we have everybody's stuff in right now. And then if you come on over to this side of the kitchen, we have our Keurig right here. Then we have our sharing thing, so all of the snacks and stuff we plan on sharing with each other, we put it in this one. If you guys look into mine, y'all would say I don't eat because there's nothing in here. I usually buy my stuff as I want them or desire them, so that's why it's not full. Here's our stove and oven. Pretty good. We can cook now, so we don't have to use the on-campus food a lot anymore. And then we have our microwave over here, and we also have kettle. Over here we have a drying rack, we have paper towels, and then we also have some knives. So that's just the display of our kitchen right now. To the right of when you come into the door, we have this dining space, if you want to say that. We also have a couple of things over on the side, like our Swiffer and vacuum cleaner. Alright, so now this is our living room space. Over here we have our flat screen TV where we all watch TV together and everything. And then down here we have our coffee table. And then over here we have our sofa chair and the lamp. These were both provided by the school, so we didn't have to buy any extra furniture when we got into the apartment. And then over here we have the bigger sofa area, and then we also have a little side table right here with a lamp also, which was provided by the school. All right, so now that I've showed you guys the living room, kitchen, and our dining room space, now I'm gonna take you guys into me and Devin's room so that you can see what I got for my room this year. Alright guys, so this is my room. As you can see, it is kind of like a neat aesthetic. If you saw my dorm room last year, you know I like these clean aesthetics. Last year I did a black and white theme with some pops of color, even with my lamps and everything. But this year I went a bit more neutral colors, so I have beige, creams in my color tones, and so does my roommate, which you will see in a couple seconds. First, I want to show you guys the rug that Devin got us. It's this fluffy rug that I think he got from Target or maybe TJ Maxx or something. It's a really nice rug. It feels comfortable on our feet. Behind me, I have my closet. A lot of these clothes actually kind of don't fit. We're gonna be shopping in the next couple weeks. Down here, I got this shoe rack, which is from Amazon or Target, I think. I'll include all the links that I have for my products in the description box down below. Then up here, I just have a lot of hangers, extra hangers over here. Up there, we just have some Tide, steamer. I also have some more laundry stuff that I do for laundry and Lysol. Right here, I have a blanket. I have my umbrella. If you guys know me last year, I didn't have an umbrella at all, and I didn't expect it to rain in the spring, and my clothes were rained on a lot of times. So I got an umbrella this year. We can close this up. Over here, you see my bed. This is the cream aesthetic that I was going for. I have some cream and beiges. I got this off of Amazon, and I also got this off of Amazon. This is my comforter. It's really comfortable at night. And then obviously below this, I also have a mattress topper that I got off of Amazon also. I also got these throw pillows from TJ Maxx a couple weeks ago because I needed some throw pillows, and yeah, I like these very much. And then I have some pillows which I also got from Amazon, and I also got the pillow cases that are on top of my pillows from Amazon also. Yeah, I like this nice clean aesthetic. I'm supposed to have some art on my walls. Last year, you guys know I put my favorite television shows or movies on my wall. I plan on doing the same thing, but I need to change some of them, so I'm gonna keep Miss Zendaya from Euphoria on here because I like this show. So I'm gonna hang these up on the wall. And then I have other shows like I like now, like The Boys and stuff. So I'm just gonna take some time and actually redo the posters for these. You guys don't need to see that because I'm doing laundry, so don't come for me in the comment section. But I have this laundry basket, which I think is from Walmart. I had this one since last year, so I didn't change laundry baskets. Here is the drawers I have. I have my underwear and stuff in the top drawer. I have shirts and everything in this one. I have shorts under here. And then also beneath the bed, I have a little step stool because believe it or not, I am short. I would have to jump on the bed in order to get in the bed. So I got a step stool that I also got last year. I think this one is actually from Target. Right here, this was actually under the bed when I first moved in. Evan was like, make it like a side table or like a nightstand by your bed. So I ended up moving it right here. And I just have my phone charging right here. These plants are both from Amazon. I have my fan just in case I get hot at night. And then we have my lovely little A24 Ladybird book right here. Down here, this is where I put my towels and everything. I also have my caddy, my Sony bag, and shh, Alexa, be quiet. I was just kidding. Alexa, be quiet. Yeah, that's all here, and I think it was a really smart idea to make this like a nightstand. Alright guys, so I bring you over to my desk space. First, when I got this room, or when I stole this room from my roommates, I did not like the window being right here, just because one, the natural lighting is not as good as it is from like this way. And then also, who has a desk in front of their window? I just feel like it's not common. First, I have this rocking chair with my book bag. You guys know I love Lululemon. On top of my desk, I have my MacBook, my iPad with my Apple Pencil inside, and I have my hard drive right here. Over here, I have some pencils, some glasses. People actually don't know I wear glasses. I have my wallet that I got a couple weeks ago. Then I have this board. I have this light, so all you have to do is tap. I have this flower. I think this plant is from Amazon if I'm not mistaken. I got this AirPod or headphone stand. I think it goes really well with my overall aesthetic. I have two books. I have my camera equipment, so I have my Canon R50 and the lens. Inside the first drawer right here, I have this Loyola Marymount University like flag. I have a lot of my documents and everything in the first drawer. I made this with my sister, so I had to bring this back. I also have my favorite books. I have a lot of screenwriting books, my Bible. On the last drawer down here, it's just a lot of Tylenol, Band-Aid, first aid kits. I also have like lotion, alcohol, and some extra stuff for storage space. For the last part of this room tour, my roommate was like, you can film my side also. I'll show you guys a sneak peek into Devin's side of the room. Alright, so this is Devin's side of the room. My roommates in the dorm also refer it as the IKEA setup. It looks really nice though. I like his pillows and everything. Down here is an ottoman. Love this. His wall decor. It's simple, but I think it goes well with his comforters and his bed set. We have like this one right here, which I think he got from Amazon. We also have his desk on this side of the room. First, we have his wuzu on the top. And then we have another artificial plant right here. And then a clock. Down here, we have a mirror. We have a mirror right here so that we can look at ourselves when we're getting ready. Down here we have a fan. That's basically it for the room tour. This concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, just give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment what your room aesthetic is down in the comment section down below so that we can see if we have the same room aesthetics. If you're interested in more college content like this or anything in the entertainment industry, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.